So the first thing you will do is go to Roblox homepage, and once you are in Roblox homepage, just click create. So you will be directed here. So all you need to do is click development items and click decals. Just click upload asset. You can upload your own logo, just follow this format, and you can make your own logo in Photoshop, and so you can put your own logo in your files and just click upload. And here you can see you can put the name of your logo. And if you don't want to upload your own logo, we can go here to the marketplace. Just click marketplace. And we will be directed here. So wait for a while. And click images at the top. So here we can just find the image we want. So for example, let's find the image we want. So I'm going to use this image. So just click it. So when we find the image we want to use, we just click get decal. So let's get decal. And you see this item has been added to your inventory. So you're successfully at the decal. And now what we are going to do now is go back to Roblox homepage. So once you are in Roblox homepage, just click this three dot icon, the top left, and go to inventory, go to decals, and here we can see the decals that we add. And now we are going to click this image, and all we have to do to put this image in our Blox Fruit logo is just copy the link in the search bar. So here, just copy it and paste it to the crew logo in Blox Fruit. And now we're here again in Blox Fruit. All we have to do is press this logo and just paste the link here on logo link. So let's paste it. So here we successfully create a logo in Blox Fruit. So that's all for our tutorial in this video. Thank you. Bye.